for the past 13 years of his commitment that he placed over there. He served there and developed the entire institution. We congratulate you, dear Father George Thomas, as you have taken upon a great... So now let us invoke God's blessings upon us through a prayer dance.
Good morning, students. Can you say a little more louder? Not enough. Little more louder. Not enough. Little more louder. I think it can go a little more high. Once again. Okay, very good. Now it is very good. So, Reverend Father Ligish, the principal, Brother Bansalang, Reverend sisters, and all of you, my dear students. In this morning, I am extremely, can I have you? Listen, please listen. In this morning, I am extremely happy to be here with all of you. I can see all of you are very happy, energetic, enthusiastic students. And that makes a lot of difference. Though it is cold in the morning, today it was very cold in the morning, but all of you got up on time, reached the school, and you are ready for your classes. Congratulations to all of you. And what a lovely dance it was. The dance and the song, it was really beautiful. They did a wonderful performance. Thank you, and congratulations to all the dancers and singers. Now students, what is the name of your principal? Can you say louder? I could not hear. Once again. Okay, very good. So Lijish Matthew, correct? Okay. Father Lijish is here as your prince, and he told me they participate in the assembly so beautifully. Well-disciplined children. And I think if you are disciplined, it is because of your principal.